Okay, this is unboxing of my Marlow CNC machine. I just got in the mail, and you can see it just came in a small package. Pretty excited about it. Yeah, I'm gonna make end up with the parts that comes in this. I'm gonna be able to make a CNC machine that'll be able to cut 4 foot by 8 foot size material. So here we go. Gonna open it up. Okay, right here in the top, looks like it has some instructions there. It tells materials are in my box right there. Okay, that side here. Right here, got looks like some hardware, some bolts, and materials like that. Right here looks like some sort of interface cables. Not sure what this looks like. Some kind of computer card here. The interface cables are going to connect to. Some of the brackets right here. I think that's going to be probably for mounting my router. Some bearings here, probably for my chains to ride on. Some more brackets. Okay. And this looks like the newer model of mounting, the newer style mounting for my router. It's going to go, this is going to mount to the sled that my router is going to mount to. Look at the newer style of that. Got another some kind of a computer card there. Some looks like small nails there, finishing nails. My chain, that's what's going to control the sled that my router's going to mount on. Some more brackets in here. This is what's going to connect to the computer. Interface cable there. These are going to be the motors that are going to control the chains, which controls the sled. Some elastic cord. This is how the chains, it's going to put tension on the chain. Some more small screws here. And the last box in here. Looks like a power supply. And that's everything that's in the box. I'm really excited. I'm going to look over the instructions that came with it there. And that's all my stuff right there.